can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. We're having a dump day today in the market. Altcoins are down bad. Zcash is down 20%, Falcon is down 9%, ENA is down 16%. The altcoin market is taking back some of the gains we have gotten over the last 7 days. We look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, a lot of traders are getting liquidated. More than 200,000 traders have gotten liquidated in the last 24 hours. We have seen extreme fear return back to the cryptocurrency market. The meme coin market is having a hard time. A lot of altcoins have done bad. We're not yet in altcoin season. Look at Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Look at the Ethereum total crypto market cap. Where are we heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Are we going to see a big dump to Goblin Town just like we saw in November? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 24 hours has seen a lot of altcoins pull back. We've seen a big dump in the cryptocurrency market. Let's start with sentiment. We've seen a lot of bulls long in the market, expecting us to start pumping in December, but the reverse has been the case. The first day of December have seen us dump aggressively. In the last 24 hours, more than 217,000 traders were liquidated, with total liquidation coming around $646 million, with the largest single liquidation happening on Binance. One trader lost $14.48 million. It was betting that the price would go up. The price came down to Goblin Town and it got liquidated. You want to be careful out there, guys. The more we get to the end of the cycle, the more a lot of market participants get impatient, the more they start taking leverage, they start using leverage, they start doing crazier things, start taking more high risks. Guys, we're very close to the end of the cycle. You want to plan your trade and trade your plan. This time is not different. At some point in time, the nearest future, we're going to see all these altcoins go parabolic. At some point in time, the nearest future, you'll be happy you held through the chaos. Bitcoin, king of the currency market, went to as high as $91,000, maybe even getting to $92,000. But for the last few days, we have seen it give back some of those gains on a bigger time frame. Bitcoin from the bottom of the bear market is still up a whooping 434%. Right now, news stories going around the cryptocurrency market are dominated by market participants asking, is this the start of a bear market? Are we going to dump straight to Goblin Town? How low can Bitcoin go? People are postulating $60,000, $77,000. I've even had market participants say we can go as low as $50,000. And even though I believe we can go that low, I don't think the cryptocurrency market is going to dump straight down to Goblin Town. I'll not be shocked, guys, if we see a relief rally come out over the next few days or the next few weeks in the cryptocurrency market. I expect us to see a relief rally. I expect to see bears who have been shorting the market from the top close their position. And if the bears are closing their position, what are they doing, guys? They are buying more of the token. If they are buying more of it, we're going to see higher prices. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades at $85,000. I will not be shocked, guys, if we see a rally towards $100,000 in the month of December. That $100,000 level is going to be very important. I can imagine when we get there, a lot of market participants will say the bull market is back. We are going to the moon. We can even rally to as high as $109,000. I'm sure at that position, all the last bears would have committed. All the last bulls would have been convinced that the bull market is still on and we're going to the moon. Bitcoin's market cap sits at $1.71 trillion. We saw the market cap crossing the $2.5 trillion level just in October. Now, there's a school of thought that says we can just easily rally to new all-time highs. That school of thought believes that this is just a stop before the next pump to all-time highs. We're just cooling off for the next rally. Everything is possible, but guys, you have to look at the momentum indicators. It's telling us that even though Bitcoin has been setting higher highs, even though the total crypto market cap have been setting higher highs since March 2024, we have seen the RSI doing the opposite of that. The RSI have been setting lower highs through the process. That's a huge divergence in price action. Price is going up one way, momentum is going another way. So don't be shocked, guys, if the next bounce within the cryptocurrency market confirms all these wild theories we're having. For the total crypto market cap, a bounce to take us past all-time high will have to see us rallying up by 47+%, and that's very, very possible. You know how volatile the cryptocurrency market can be. You never want to say never. These altcoins can easily pump to the moon. That's why we love them, but then they can dump to goblin town. That's why a lot of market participants avoid them. Over the last 1 week right now, Zcash has been one of the leaders in the market, has given back some gains. Zcash is down 36% over the last 1 week, and in the last 24 hours alone, Zcash lost around 20% of its value. I'll be paying attention to total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and excluding the top 10. I believe that's where most of the gains are going to be made in the final part of the cycle. We have seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs. We have seen Ethereum get to new all-time highs. I'm expecting to see older altcoins, lower cap altcoins have their own time in the sun. We saw total crypto market cap, excluding the top 10, not set new all-time highs. We saw it getting to the $338 billion level. In December of 2024, it was ranked around it was trading for around $443 billion. We've seen the top cap pumps. We have seen some medium cap pumps. We've seen XRP pump. We've seen Zcash pump, hyperliquid pump. I will not be sure, guys, if the next rally is for the low caps. The next rally is where you see a lot of market participants foaming back into the market. You see them saying this time is different. The bull market is back. Santa rally. There's always going to be a narrative to follow price action, but price leads, and sentiment follows. So don't be shocked, guys, to see sentiment quickly shifting. Right now in the cryptocurrency market, there's extreme fear in the market. We have spent majority of November in extreme fear. We got towards fear territory yesterday. Right now we're back in extreme fear. Don't be shocked, guys, if you see sentiment quickly change in the month of December. Historically, we can't stay in extreme fear forever. Historically, Bitcoin at some point in time in the nearest future will have a way to drift towards greed territory. And if you drift towards greed, that's always a good time to sell. If Bitcoin and the stock crypto market have drifts towards greed, I'm sure smart money will be exiting. Right now, a lot of smart monies are already coming out of the market. A lot of smart players that bought Bitcoin and crypto 10 years ago, 12 years ago, they are quietly exiting their position. The next rally is going to be a suckers rally. The next rally is going to be an echo rally. Maybe Ethereum set new all-time highs. Maybe total crypto market cap set new all-time highs. But one thing is sure, guys, I believe that rally is going to be very fast. It's going to be very aggressive, and it's going to catch a lot of market participants off guard. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance to further strengthen the points why we're expecting altcoins to pump. Bitcoin dominance has been showing weakness since June of 2025. We've seen Bitcoin dominance dump from 66% in June of 2025. We've seen Bitcoin dominance come to as low as 57%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance sits as 59%. The base case scenario still stands, guys, for Bitcoin dominance. Base case scenario should see Bitcoin dominance coming to as low as 50%. At that price level, if you see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin, setting new all-time highs, but all singing kumbaya, low cap coins are pumping, that will be a very, very good time to run for the hills. From where Bitcoin dominance is right now, we need Bitcoin dominance to lose around 15% of its value. And know how volatile Bitcoin dominance can be. You never want to say never. The final phase of the market cycle is where most of these altcoins go parabolic. The final phase of the market cycle is where a lot of market participants go risks on. They have made gains in Bitcoin. A lot of them have made gains in Ethereum. You see them foaming to small cap altcoins. And when those altcoins start pumping, there's only one way for them to go after pump, which is dump to goblin town. But right now, as we're dumping, I don't think the dump will continue in forever. At some point in time, the dump will come to an end. And the closer will come to the dump, the more tired market participants become. The closer will come to the dump, the more you see a lot of market participants giving up. The month of November was not great for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin dumping aggressively in the month of November. This was the second worst November for Bitcoin. The worst November for Bitcoin since 2018. In Q4, Ethereum is down 31%, Bitcoin is down 24%. If you zoom in on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin lost 17.67% of its value in the month of November, only being thwarted by December of 2018, where Bitcoin lost 36% of its value. We've stayed the month of December on a dumping note. Bitcoin's already down 4.8% in the first day of November. I'm expecting that fortune to change for Bitcoin. I don't expect Bitcoin to continue this aggressive dump into the month of November. At some point in time, guys, we have to rally back to the mean. And for the mean, $100,000 level is not going to be crazy. I believe $100,000 level is an important target which will make a lot of market participants believe the bull market is back. Right now, the market is running more on emotions than on sentiment, than on fundamentals. A lot of market participants are they're not thinking fundamentally again. They are thinking emotionally. They feel as if the market owes them something. If we rally right back to the 50-week moving average, guys, we see Bitcoin going back above $100,000. And from where we're currently trading, that will be around a 20% move to the upside. If you look at the meme coin markets, a lot of meme coins have dumped aggressively over the last 24 hours, but I'm still putting a lot of hope in the meme coin market. I still believe this is where we're going to see most of the gains. We're going to see a lot of meme coins go parabolic. Historically, that's what has always happened. Market participants go risks on and find the riskiest token they can invest in, because at that point in time in the cycle, market participants have missed Bitcoin. They have missed a lot of altcoins. They feel that they are left behind, and they have the fear of missing out. What if the altcoin market continue pumping forever? And that's why we're going to see meme coins pumping, and I'm sure that's why we're going to see at some point in time in the future record liquidations. The bears are going to get liquidated. A lot of market participants are shorting the market. I saw the long to short ratio at some point in time over the weekend. The short ratio was more than the long ratio by more than 3.5%. So we had almost 55% of market participants shorting the market. Be careful out there, guys. Leverage looks good when you're winning. When you're losing, it will heighten the losses, and you can easily be wrecked in 24 hours. We're not yet in altcoin season. Historically, we need 75% of the top 50 coins to perform better than Bitcoin. Over a 90-day period, they have not done that, and that's not altcoin season. I believe we'll see altcoin season before the end of 2025. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. The market is dumping today. Bitcoin has gone back to $85,000. The little optimism we're seeing in the cryptocurrency market is dying off. Are you still buying altcoins? Do you still believe we're still going to pump to the moon? Have you given up on this cycle? And is this the start of the bear market? What's your next move? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.